description.
Right, hey, this is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do, or what you could do with your instant noodle. And today we've got one that came out of a box from Project Ramen. Go over to projectramen.com and use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. This is the first review I've done of something that was in one of those boxes. The one they sent me were 16 packs, which is a lot, and they're from all over the world, and you get 2 of each. I'm talking to them about doing just a 16 different variety box. So stay tuned for that, and yeah, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount over there. Really nice people I'm working with now, and I am stoked to give you more information about what they're doing and what's coming up. So you'll see more of that. This is Koreno, which is a range done by Paldo Food of South Korea. Yes, the people who bring you fun and yum. This is it's delicious, Volcano chicken. And this is like a bulldog knockoff. It's not really a knockoff because it's their own thing. And it's Paldo because, you know, they do a lot. I mean, one company comes out with something successful in the instant noodle world, and guess what happens? Everybody tries to like one-up it or do a version of it of their own, because that's what people like. Noodle block, dropping it in, boiling hot, and you get to watch. Oh my God, look at this, ladies and gentlemen. Such fun for you. Oh boy, oh boy. So there it goes. Yes. So 4 minutes of cooking. So what's going on today? We've a new Pope. I guess we have a new... Oh, wait. This goes in. Tut tut. I'm being, yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Chill out, chill out. Don't explode, you freaking jerk. There we go. Give it a comb over. Combing it over in the pot. My God. But yeah, they went in there. There was black smoke. They went in there. There was white smoke. And now there's white smoke and a new Pope. And I guess he's American. My sister said they're not happy about that. I'm thinking like, oh, who's not happy about it? But it doesn't really matter. I mean, they do their thing. It's the papacy. So that's cool. I guess the first thing he said was something nice. So that seems good, right? Start off on a nice foot. Not really attuned to the whole thing of the papacy, but I know it's a thing. So we need to use 2 to 3, we'll drain this when it's done and add 2 to 3 spoons of water. So here's, well, I don't want noodle. 1, 2 to 3. You like that? I hope so. But yeah, this should be a bulldog kind of spicy deal. I had their volcano curry years ago, and I wasn't too enthused. But not only that, though, the other day I did their green tea, the Paldo green tea one, and at review 160 it was 0 stars, and I absolutely hated it. But now it says it's delicious. So maybe now it's going to be much better. I don't know. Those 2 words must be part of the ingredient process. I'm really unsure, but we'll see how it goes. Yeah. Oh yeah, so, and again, tomorrow it's going to be a longer episode, but I am going to reveal the amazing thing I got. I'll give you some hints. You don't plug it in. You don't plug it in. And it's related to music. I should also say it's freaking old. What is it, Ramen Rainer? Tell us. Tell us what it is. You don't care. You're not even watching. Maybe you are. If you're watching, let me know. I'm always open also to criticism or ideas for the show. So please, please ask me. I like to make you happy. And this is one of the things I was asked over and over. We really like it when we can see the noodles boiling. So it's just like, hey, what I do, once again, I give you what you want. I know. All right, so let's drain our noodle. This one I'm using a funny plate for. And I have a little green screen deal. And with that, I take the side picture I don't need it for, but for the pretty top-down picture I use it. And then I put it in Photoshop. And as they say, voila. 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 I don't know. No, am I supposed to like bring this up to temp again? Well, just add 2 to 3 spoons of water. Mix well with powder soup and enjoy. Well, we have powder soup and we have this one, but I'm going to put both of them in. So here we go. Powder soup. I wonder how spicy this is going to be. I wonder if they toned down the spiciness. That's a possibility. It does say Volcano on it. It is from South Korea. My guess is it's going to be violently spicy, but being this, I'm kind of surprised that it's powder. Whoa. It smells hot. And then we've got this Earl. So let's add the Earl. Come on. Come on, Super Bassomatic. That's great bass. Alright, that's splendid. I like that sachet. It really gave up the stuff there. Alright. Now we stir it up. Oh, we gotta add our liquid. There you go. Some people will be aghast and like, you're not supposed to do that. You're just supposed to do it dry and blah, 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 blah. But, you know, do you. I follow directions. Allowing a level playing field for all comers to the Ramen Raider review world. Now, honestly, I should be doing a mukbang of this, I think. But this is halfway in my review day, so I really can't. I guess I could do one later. I don't know. I don't feel like pounding a big bowl of violently hot noodles this morning. I could do it. I could do it. But here it is. It does not smell violently spicy. Ladies and gentlemen, well, I'll tell you what. Maybe over here? I'm really looking hard for anything that's making my mouth feel hot. And this is sweet. And it's good. I will give you that. It's really quite good. But a chicken on fire, this is not where that belongs. Mmm. No, it's not spicy. I'm going to tell you right now, that is not spicy. Now, I'm sure if my wife tried it, she'd be like, it's a little spicy for me. That's okay. To me, though, I'm really not getting any spicy at all. Let's look at this pack again. Volcano. There's a volcano. It says it's delicious. But yeah. Doesn't that scream like 2X Bulldog to you? It's not spicy. It is delicious. But no, that's like sweet and very savory and really quite good. But I don't know what to say other than I was expecting that would be like something to do a mukbang of, and there's no reason to go, hey, I'm gonna eat this so you don't have to and burn my face, because it doesn't burn your face. It's good. I'm like really looking hard for this heat. Give one more shot. No. No. It's not spicy. But it's good. It definitely pushes the look of something from the packaging that you would get it. Ooh, I'm going to try the new spicy one. It's not that. Not at all. Not remotely. No, sir. Some scallion. This isn't going to photograph well either. That irritates me. Scallion, sesame seed. I'll use some of the chili thread. That would at least give it a little bit of spiciness. A wee bit. I need more than that. Yeah, I need more than that. It's not wanting to cooperate today. There we go. There's a nest, a hairy little nest of chili thread. If you're interested in trying this chili thread out, go on Amazon and look up Spiceology chili thread. It looks like that. And it says it's 1 ounce. This stuff is like feather light, so. And it seems like it's compacted a little bit. I don't think I've really used all that much of it. But it's like 20 bucks for that thing. If you want to make your stuff look rad. It's a little bit tangy. I don't know what kind of pepper it is. Maybe it says on the jar. Ingredients. I don't. Ingredients. Chili. Thanks. Anyways, rotating. Big thanks to the guys over at Project Ramen for sending this over. Really good one. I would normally say I was a little disappointed that it wasn't that spicy or anything like that, but it's really good. So, I don't know. It doesn't, it's not as advertised, but it's good. I don't know what we'll do. We'll think about it. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.
What do you want to do?
What the Canada?
You want to go to Canada?
Yes.
What's in Canada?
How to Canada?
Oh, Hello Kitty's in Canada?
Yes.
I don't know if we're going to go see Hello Kitty. We might. You like Canada.